happy sunny day from Udde, a nudist beach in Naka Nature Reserve on this Wednesday, 20th of August. Let not the sun fool you. It is quite chilly indeed, but with the sun it is slightly warmer indeed today. And currently I am all alone on this nudist beach that is facing south, east and west actually. And it's time for yet another beach adventure with Chris from Lake Källtorp, that is. My ride is here, Scott, 9 kilometers it was from my home to get here. And currently it is 12 o'clock, 12:15, and I am ready to embrace yet another swim here in Källtorp. And this nudist beach called Udde, that is. So it's located, as I mentioned, in the Naka Nature Reserve and a bit far from the main road, so you need to walk a bit in the beautiful nature. And there is even a public beach close by, Norra Källtorpssjön, but I see a lot of people over there, and here there is nobody. Beach 96, and we're gonna be enjoying a nice swim here shortly after checking out the temperature. So we have 16 degrees Celsius in the air, again, same as yesterday. And we're gonna soon see how warm it is also in the Lake Källtorp over here. The reflection of the water is so beautiful and so amazing, and I'm gonna be definitely enjoying the swim here today at this beautiful place. I was here around 2 weeks ago and show you this spot, and that video got more views than usual. So I thought to revisit this nudist beach spot in Stockholm, in Nacka more specifically, but Nacka is part of Stockholm region obviously. And the moment of truth, 20 degrees Celsius. So yeah, the water is slightly colder than last time, but still super decent for a swim here in the beautiful nature. So let's then go in and enjoy yet another swim in one of the many lakes here in Stockholm. So yeah, it looks like also that we're gonna be dealing with some rain tomorrow, but the forecast said also rain for yesterday, and there wasn't any rain as such. Okay, so let's then go in for a swim at Udde nudist beach here in Naka. So I'm still walking on the cliff. So ready, set and go! Amazing and refreshing at the same time. I love it. I love it. Beautiful. Yes, we have only 11 days now left in August, and we shall see if we're gonna have if summer is gonna rejoin us back in September. Otherwise, now it's also good because the water is still warm enough, even though it is not that hot in the air. So you can still go in for a longer swim in the lake as well. So yeah, with this wonderful view of this nudist beach Stockholm, Udde, it's time to wrap up today's vlog. while I will enjoy a swim here for sure. And yeah, hope everyone is having a great day wherever you are, and make sure to tune in for more amazing beach adventures on the channel. Beach adventures with Chris.